Yeah, see what's in the box, shall we? I don't know. 59 grams. Doesn't say much else. KL8s apparently. KL8's TTC Gold encoder, not the white one. Sensors 3395. Tri-mode connection, so you've got Bluetooth as well. Interesting, not seen one of them for a while. 6 macro buttons and onboard memory, so you get the software tidy. 1000 polling rate, 300 milliamp battery. It's still a bit heavy. I mean, 114. It's not heavy, but it's certainly heavy for its size, I'd say. Ta-da! That's what we got for mouse. Oh, it definitely looks like an Orochi. It's slightly bigger than the Orochi by the looks of it. Not bad so far. Does feel light. You get a nice manual. Some extra parts. What else we got? Some stickers, cool, nice. Some grip tape. Everyone likes to put grip tape in now. Spare skates, nice, that's what I like to say. Eraser type. Transparent paper. Whatever that is, warranty card. Guessing a rear solid panel. If you don't like the holes, nice. Okay, keep that in case you want to wear it. And then a pretty standard dongle, USB-C. So what's that with the hole in the back? See what it weighs, stock. 63, damn, man, that's heavier. Especially what, 59 grams it reckons on the box. 63 seems heavy. I don't think it'd be that heavy. I mean, that's what they are. 59 G's, people. Where's the extra 4 grams, man? Still got the dongle in, maybe that's it. Can't be that being 3.5 grams though. Still 62. There's the fuller back. It's a tiny mouse. It's a mini pulsar. Slightly bigger than that, I think, or similar. About the same, actually. Here's a medium pulsar. You can see it's slightly longer. It's a Superlight. Definitely shorter than the Superlight. So it's like it's a 305. A little bit smaller than the 305. Can already feel the holes under the label noise. It's pre-travel like. Ooh, not bad. Yeah, a little bit. It's not bad though. Nice. Good pre-travel on this one. Probably one of the better ones we've seen for a while. Sides are pretty good as well. I quite like the sides. I feel like not the LPX switches either. They're nice. A little bit of pre on the front when you look at it from this angle. Not bad though. That's pretty good. Scroll wheel feels alright. Scroll click feels like a square switch, but I don't know, I'll find out. So far it feels alright. There's no creaks or rattles in it. It's actually pretty rock hard. The sides on this, like the Orochi, have got pretty firm sides. It's even got the same kind of like thumb dip in it. The Orochi. Kind of like this badge idea, but I always feel like I can ping it off. So I'll be interested if we can. Got little gaps for your skates as well, so you can take them off easily. Got your Bluetooth button, DPI, USB-C. Detachable rear panels, held on by a magnet. Got 3 magnets by the looks of it. So you can pick if you want a bit of a holy mouse or not. Nice. LED on the front. But overall, not bad. I quite like the shape of it. Rounded skates. feels pretty light, to be fair. $65. That's on the button profile. It's quite thin at the back though, which is not really a big problemo. But if you did do that at the back, quite low profile, 38. $24, so not bad width on the old buttons as well. A nice wide scroll wheel, 8mm. Decent. Sensor slightly forward then. They all seem to be putting the sensor slightly forward at the minute. It is centered. Nice. That's what the balance is like. Not bad. It's probably over the sensor, that's where most people seem to be placing it at the minute. So it's pretty much dead on that, which is dead over the sensor. So it's slightly forward the balance, but that's pretty normal at the minute. So I would pick up the Fantech Aria. I think if you want a better sensor to the Orochi, sure, it's slightly more. You prefer KL8s over the 4s, because the 4s can be a little bit stiff. Okay, fine. It's a nice interchangeable panel, but you can do it on the Orochi. And you don't have to change the battery in it, but the Orochi's gonna have a longer battery life. Easier to change, it's got to be charged, not end of the world. USB-C though, so it's just slightly lighter. But decent that, pretty much the same other than that, slightly wider maybe. It's decent, I could play with this all day long. We're definitely going to enjoy playing with this on Friday. I'll tell you that now.